everyone! Today I will talk about Maintain Company Profile. Let's first demonstrate to create a new company. First, click Create Company. Fill in your company name, email, and phone number. After completing the details, click Create Company, and your company will be successfully created. Once created, you will be able to see the new company listed in the company list. Click into the company, and you will be directed to the company profile page. On the company profile page, you can view the company's details, including company name, email, company registration number, phone number, and company ID. If you would like to change the company logo, simply click on the image icon beside it to upload and update the company profile picture. To modify company information, click the Update Company Details button. Here, you can update the company name, registration number, email, and phone number. After making the changes, click the Save button to save the information. If you need to connect X-STORE with SQL account, you will be required to enter the access key and secret key to complete the integration. After clicking Edit, log into your SQL account system and copy the corresponding access key and secret key. Then return to X-STORE and enter the access key and secret key. Once completed, click Save. The system will display a reminder that updating the key may affect your existing stock items and code mappings. In addition, if your company name or register number does not match the records in SQL account, the system will also show a warning to ensure that you are connecting to the correct SQL account database. If you want the system to automatically update product quantities on the platform when new orders are received, you can enable Sync Quantity to Platform. Click the Edit button to enable this feature. A warning message will appear. Please make sure that the Location module and Stock module are enabled in SQL account. Also ensure that the stock quantities in SQL are accurate, because the SQL stock quantities will overwrite the existing stock on the platform. After enabling the feature, click Save. The system will then display a confirmation message. Updating company settings may overwrite existing data. Are you sure you want to continue? Click Continue to proceed. That's all for today, and have a nice day.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, and stay updated with our latest videos, Facebook posts, and important guides on our website.